my life, the spiritual life, has started with Ganesha. Ganesha eating the food is the first experience happened in my life. And I can say that is the reason my spiritual journey was successful and it has unfolded with all its glory, beauty and the spiritual depth. So here I have today for all of you to have darshan of Ganesha who ate the food and inaugurated my spiritual life and initiated my spiritual life. We will be having today puja for Ganesha, for this deity also. Ganesha is the deity easy to worship, easy to relate with. You are supposed to start your spiritual life with him by his grace.
Celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi with Kailasa. Subscribe to the channel.